What's happening, guys? We're back again and we're working on the hood mold. That's right, we're back. Today's probably gonna be a pretty short episode. All that we really have to work on today is the hood mold. Last episode we got the cowl firewall mold off and glued that cowl buck back onto the hood. So today we need to strengthen that up and then hopefully get started on the filling in the crack with drywall mud and all the shaping and forming and stuff. So first things first though, I want to flip that hood over and take a look on the inside and see if there's anywhere that we can add some wooden strengthening ribs or something. I'm just a little bit concerned about it flexing and cracking where we glued it back together again because we didn't have a nice flat surface to glue on. So let's flip that over. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, putting some reinforcement in. I want to kind of take a block of wood and run it right here. This is the bottom of the form, so it's where it's most likely to kind of split apart. So I think what I'm going to do is we have this big kind of block of foam on the front of the cowl. I'm going to tunnel into this and then glue onto the face of the skirt on the hood mold and kind of bridge across it like that. So I'm gonna go grab, I think I got some 1x3 in the back. I'll grab that and use that instead of these cedar sticks because the 1x3 is a little longer. And then we're gonna have to cut a channel into this foam that wood will fit into. So let's do that.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Alright, we got those strengthening boards glued in. They're just glued in with spray foam, but that should be more than sufficient for what we need. I also drove a couple of wood screws in just to kind of hold them while that spray foam cures. They also act as kind of the back dam of this skirt that we've built. And then I glued on some purple foam to make the front side of that dam. So in between these here, we'll fill it up with spray foam so we have this nice continuous extra skirt on the bottom. And then I'm also going to grab some drywall putty or drywall mud and put a first coat over this purple foam. We're obviously going to have to build up the thickness there, so it's going to take a couple coats, but should be fine. And then once this is all dried and cured, we'll be able to pop off these external wood braces, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this thing will stay structural. So let's grab some spray foam and fill those up.
Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs.
think that's all that we can do. We got the strengthening boards in. We got some spray foam that needs to cure. We got some drywall mud that needs to dry. So we're kind of at a standstill on it. So I'm gonna have to call it an episode there, guys. I knew this was gonna be a short one, but this is extremely short. No big deal. Next week we'll probably continue on with this, do some more drywall work, and then start the final shaping on it. And then I need to get some more gel coat, I think, and some putties and stuff to do the 2-part mold on this, but that should be coming pretty quick. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.